Glen Powell just scored his second straight misfire at the box office, but it's not entirely his fault. Ask any random movie fan about Glen Powell, and they'll either tell you he's the prince who was promised and he's going to save the box office, or he's a charmless hack and can't go away soon enough. Back in November, Glen Powell starred in Edgar Wright's update of The Running Man. It grossed just $69 million worldwide against a reported budget of $110 million, which is not great. And then, this past weekend, Powell was back in theaters, headlining How to Make a Killing, John Patton Ford's update of Kind Hearts and Coronets. Released by A24 in the US, How to Make a Killing shot on a $40 million budget. It did not make a killing opening weekend, grossing just $3.5 million domestic on 1,625 screens. And it doesn't help that it got a thoroughly mid Rotten Tomato score. Conventional wisdom states movies have to gross at least twice their budget to break even in theaters. But with no word of mouth, I doubt How to Make a Killing gets to $80 million worldwide. Though it should be noted that A24 will have other revenue streams on this, like on-demand, international licensing, and streaming licensing deals. Anyway, I don't think this is entirely Powell's fault, because the marketing for this movie felt utterly non-existent. But it does raise the question, is Glen Powell ready for the big time? You tell me.